Good morning, everyone. Todd from Walnut Ridge Service Department. Unfortunately, winter has arrived. With that being said, we do have some December specials going on. We are running a RV spa day. So this includes a wash, wax, wash your slide out walls, clean one awning canvas. Obviously, if you have two, some do. Some of the newer ones, bigger units have two, a front awning and a rear awning. Small additional charge if you wanted the second awning clean. And tire shine, we are running that for $199. That is unheard of on price wise. So we've got that going on. We've got a great sale on a spot seal for your roof. $59.99. There is no one out there that could touch this price. I guarantee you that at $59.99. Retail on this is $155. So huge savings there. And then, so that was 2 out of the 3 December specials that we are running. The third is a holiday service savings due to holidays coming up. We are running 15% off of any preventative maintenance service that we have here, whether it be a basic package, a premium, an ultimate package, an a la carte, wheel bearing repack, generator service, slide out maintenance, whatever the case may be, 15% off. That is a huge, huge savings. I know everybody, you're going into the holidays buying Christmas presents for your family, your friends. I 100% get it. I have a blended family on my wife's side, so a lot of people to buy for, nieces and nephews, so I 100% get it. So that spot seal on the roof, massive savings, $59.99. You're free to call around anywhere around this area. They are not going to be able to touch that price, guaranteed. So hope to see us soon. Here's our flyer. You can look at our website. You can call into one of our 4 service advisors to schedule an appointment or our receptionist, and we'll get you scheduled and get you taken care of. Happy holidays.